Students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 4B. Our subject is mathematics. In the previous video we have discussed some problems of 4.2 and 4.3 also. Today we will discuss exercise 4.4, right? That is in the page number 61. So let's start. The question 1 says, in an election the winning party got 54,896 votes. So winning party got 54,896 votes and losing party got 18,999 votes less. That means you have to do subtraction, right? So now subtract 54,896 minus 18,999, right? 6 is less than 9, so it will be 16. So it will be 8, right? 16 minus 9, it's 7. So 8 less than 9, so it will be 18 and it will be 7, right? So 18 minus 9, so it will be 9. 7 is also less than 9, so it will be 17 and it will be 3. 17 minus 9 is 8 and 3 is less than 8, so it will be 13 and it will be 4, right? So 13 minus 8 is 5 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer will be 35,897. So therefore losing party got 35,897 votes, right? Now the question number 2 says 32,816 people visited a circus in the month of January and 29,832 people visited the same circus in the month of February. Find out how many more people visited the circus in the month of January than in the month of February, right? In the January 32,816 people visited and in the February 29,832 people visited, right? So it is asked, find out how many more people visited the circus in the month of January than the February, right? So you have to do subtraction. So if I write 29,832 and now subtract it, right? So 6 minus 2 is 4. So 1 is less than 3, so it will be 11 and it will be 7, right? So 11 minus 3 is 8. So 7 is, so it will be 17 and it will be 1, and 17 minus 8 is 9. 1 is less than 9, so it will be 11 and it will be 2. So 11 minus 2 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay, so answer will be 2000 and 2 minus 2 is 0, so answer will be 2984. So therefore in January 2984 more people visited than February. Okay, so in the question number 3, the sum of two numbers is 7,28,785, and if one of the numbers is 5,89,173, find the other. So when it is asked to find the another number, if the sum of their number is given, so you have to do subtraction, right? So write down the number column wise and now subtract it. 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 minus 7 is 1, 7 minus 1 is 6. So 8 less than 9, so it will be 18 and it will be 1, right? Now 18 minus 9 is 9, and it will be 11 since 1 is less than 8, and it will be 6, right? So 11 minus 8 is 3, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So answer will be 1,39,612. So the other number is 1,39,612, right? Question number 4 says the population of a city is 9,20,801 if the number of males and children in is 5,63,281. Find the number of females in the city, right? So again you have to do the remaining part, or you have to find out the remaining part. That means you have to do subtraction, right? So population of a city, population of a city, so it is given number of males and children is 5,63,281. so now subtract it. Now write down the figure 63,281. now subtract it. So 1 minus 1 is 0, since 0 is less than 8, so it will be 7, right? So 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. Again 10 minus, it will be 10 and it will be 1, and 10 minus 3 is 7, and 1 is less than 6, so it will be 11 and it will be 8, right? So 11 minus 6 is 5, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So answer will be 3,57,520. So therefore number of females in the city is 3,57,520. Question 5 says the sale of fiction books in a shop in a particular year was 28,902 if the sale of non-fiction books was 8,603 less than the sale of fiction books. So you have to find out the non-fiction books sold, the number of. So because we have to find out the remaining part, so if you want to find out the remaining part, then you have to do subtraction, right? So the number of fiction books sold 28,902 and non-fiction books sold 8,603 less than the fiction books, right? So you have to do subtraction, write down the number and subtract it. So 2 here, so it will be 12, and now 12 minus 3 is 9, it's 9, 2, 8 minus 6 and 0 and 20, right? So the number of non-fiction books is 20,299, right? Question number 6 says a library contains 2,85,325 books, out of which 28,632 are academics books and 17,920 are story books. So how many so find out the number of books other than the academic and story books. So how many books are there of academics books and story books? So academic books are 28,632, story books, right? Story books are 17,920. So total number of academic books and story books are, add it, 2, 5, 15, carry 1, 16, 4, right? So it will be 46,552. So total books, right? Total books are, Now you have to find out the remaining the number, not its total books. The books are, now find out the number of books other than academics. So other than academic and story books are, how total books are 2,85,325 minus total books 46,552, right? Now simply subtract it. So 5 minus 2 is 3 and it will be 12 and it will be 2, right? So 12 minus 5 is 7 and it will be, because 2 is less than 5, so it will be 12 and it will be 4, and 12 minus 5 is also 7, right? And 4 is less than 6, so it will be 14 and it will be 7, so it will be 8, and 7 minus 4 is 3 and it will be this 2. So 2,38,773, right? So the remaining books are, the number of books other than the academic and story books are this, right? Question number 7 says the population of a town is 3,27,008. If the number of men and women are 82,000, women are 82,628 and 81,307 respectively. So find out the number of children in the town. So first of all you have to do addition, that is you have to find out total men and women are. So write down the figure and simply add them, right? So 8 plus 7 is 15 and carry 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 8 plus 1, 8 plus 8 is 16. That means 1,63,935 people. That means consists of people, men and women, right? You have to find out the children, total people, the population. So find out the number of children. So number of children is, total population is 3,27,008 and the men and women are, subtract it. So 8 minus 5 is 3, so it will be 10 and it will be 9, right? And it will be 6. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 6 minus 3 is 3, it will be 12 and it will be 2. This is 2, and because 12 minus 6 is 6, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1,63,073. So the number of children are, so number of children in the town is 1,63,073, right? This is our answer. The sum of three numbers is 29,468 if two of them are 12,964 and 9,003. Find out the third number. So two numbers, so sum of two numbers is 12,964 and 9,003. Add it. 4 plus 3 is 7, 6, that is 9, 11 and carry 1, so it will be 2. So 21,967, right? So find out the third number. So third number will be because the three sum of three numbers is given, so write down the bigger number above the smaller number, that is given the sum of two numbers, and subtract it. So 8 minus 7 is 1, 6 minus 6 is 0, it will be 14, and it will be 8. So 5, 8 minus 1 is 9, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So the third number will be 9501, right? Sorry, 8 minus 1, it will be 7, right? So answer will be 7501. Question number 9 says, from the sum of 52,469 and 64,961, right? Because it is given from the sum of these two numbers, so now I'm doing addition. So 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, again carry 1, so 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, again carry 1, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7, and 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1,17,430. So according to the questions, subtract ATQ, subtract 28,909, it will be subtracted, right? So 1,17,430, so it will be subtracted from this number, that is this sum. So number is 28,909. So you know it will be 10 and it will be 2. So 10 minus 9, so it will be 1, it will be 2, it will be 14, and it will be 6. 14 minus 9 is 5, it will be 16, right? 16 minus 8, it will be 8, and it will be 0. So 8, and since 0 is less than 2, so it will be 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8, and so this will be minus 1, right? That means 0. So 88,521, that is our required answer, required result, right? 88,521. So question number 10 says, a crayon company recently changed its labels. It currently has a total of 14,960 crayons in stock, and 12,890 of which have the new label. How many crayons with the old label does the company have in stock? That is, so total crayons in stock, a company have 14,960, and the company have new label crayons are 12,890, and the old label, to find out the old label crayons, right? So have in stock, so you have to do subtraction. 0 minus 0 is, it will be 16, and it will be 8, right? So 16 minus is 9, 0, 2, that means 2070. So old level does the company have in stock how many? So the company have 2070 old level crayons. Company has right. So we have finished exercise 4.4. In the next day we will discuss exercise 4.5, that is the estimating difference. Please do it in your copy and try to understand what I am doing, right? What I have done, and please do your maths daily. Thank you.